hey guys. Today's video is about Sonny the cat. Oh yeah, and he's mean, and he needs to be in timeout, 'cause he's mean, and oh yeah, and he's mean, and somebody needs to hit him with a chancla on the butt. Yeah.
That's not nice, Travi.
Gah! Yeah, but he's mean. Gah!
Good morning, Sonny. It's gonna be a great day. How you doing, Papa? Hey! Told you about that temper, Sonny. Hey, Sonny, how's it going? Oh, it's BB. Here you go, BB. No, it's Sonny. Ouch! Ouch! You little gutcha. Oh, that hurt. Truce. Be nice. Sonny, how you doing? Hey, guy. Good morning. Man. Well, good morning to you, then. Hey. Say hi, Sonny. Say hi. Wave hi. That's hi. That's good. Wave hi. Say hi. You little meanie. You never let me pet BB. I'm gonna pet her from this side. Oh. Ah, too fast. You're too fast, Sonny. Hey! 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 Hey!